Hey, welcome to AI Hustle, the channel where we show you how to turn artificial intelligence into real income. If you've ever wondered how people are using AI to earn money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll break down the most powerful AI tools, show you how to use them, and share actionable tips to help you start making money with AI, even if you have zero tech skills. Stick around until the end for a quick summary and my personal recommendations on which AI tool to try first. And don't forget, if you want more in-depth videos about any of these tools, let me know in the comments. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to make money with AI content creation. Imagine you want to write blog posts, social media content, or even an ebook, but you don't have the time or inspiration. That's where AI writing tools come in. ChatGPT, Jasper, and AI can help you generate high-quality content in minutes. Here's how you can use them. If you're a freelancer, offer blog writing or copywriting services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Use AI to draft articles quickly, then edit them for a personal touch. If you want to build your own business, use AI to create ebooks, guides, or newsletters to sell on Gumroad or Amazon. Example: let's say you want to write a 20-page ebook about productivity hacks. With ChatGPT, you can generate chapter outlines, write each section, and even come up with catchy titles, all in under an hour. Pro tip: always review and personalize the AI's output. Add your own insights, stories, or case studies to make your content unique and valuable. But it's not just about writing. AI can also help you with graphic design. Tools like Canva AI and Midjourney let you create stunning images, logos, and social media posts, even if you have zero design skills. Example: use Canva's AI image generator to create Instagram posts for small businesses, or design YouTube thumbnails for other creators and sell this as a service. Pro tip: combine AI writing and design tools to offer complete content packages, text and visuals, which are highly in demand. Video is king online, and AI makes video creation easier than ever. Tools like InVideo AI and Pictory let you turn scripts or blog posts into professional-looking videos with just a few clicks. How to make money with this? Offer video creation services to businesses, coaches, or influencers who need regular content but don't have time to make videos themselves. Start your own faceless YouTube channel using AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, and video clips, then monetize with ads or affiliate links. Example: take a trending blog post, use InVideo AI to turn it into a video, add a voiceover, and upload it to YouTube. With consistency, you can build a channel and start earning passive income. Pro tip: use AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Murph for natural-sounding voiceovers, and combine with stock footage for a professional finish. Next up, AI automation. Why spend hours on repetitive tasks when AI can do it for you? Zapier and Make.com let you connect different apps and automate workflows. For example, you can automatically send new leads from your website to your email list, or schedule social media posts across multiple platforms. How to monetize? Offer automation setup as a service for small businesses. Many business owners want to save time but don't know where to start. Use automation to run your own business more efficiently, freeing up time to take on more clients or projects. Example: set up an AI chatbot on a Shopify store to answer customer questions 24/7. This improves customer satisfaction and increases sales, and you can charge a monthly fee for managing this service. Pro tip: document your automations and sell them as templates or mini courses. People pay good money for proven systems that save time. If you have knowledge to share, AI can help you package it into online courses or info products. Tools like Gamma.app help you create beautiful slide decks and presentations in minutes. InVideo AI can help you turn your lessons into engaging video content. Digital marketing is another area where AI shines. SEMrush and Surfer SEO use AI to analyze keywords, competitors, and trends, helping you create content that ranks on Google. MailChimp AI can help you write and automate email campaigns that convert leads into customers. If you're a bit more technical, you can use AI to build tools, apps, or plugins that solve real problems. No-code platforms like Bubble or Glide now offer AI integrations, so you don't need to be a programmer to create useful tools. Let's quickly recap the top ways to make money with AI. Use AI for content creation, writing, design, and video. Automate your workflow and offer automation services. Build and sell online courses or info products with AI help. Offer AI-powered marketing and SEO services. Develop and sell AI apps or plugins, no coding required. The key is to pick one area, take action, and keep learning. AI is evolving fast, and the sooner you start, the bigger your advantage. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more AI money-making tips. Drop a comment below if you want to deep dive into any of these AI tools, or if you have other topics you want to see on this channel. Thanks for watching AI Hustle, where your next income stream is just one AI tool away. See you in the next video.